I was a little unsure of whether or not the build would actually get done.
It seemed like it was destined for disaster, you know? Nah, I'm joking.
As optimistic as you want to be about having something beautiful, you know, beautiful at the end doesn't necessarily mean that's going to happen.
Don't want you, but I need, and I need you. Think about now, 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 now. Think about now, 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 now. Get on with it. Come on, get on
right
with
there.
it.
It's awesome.
Come on, get on with it. Come on, get on with it. This is what I say. 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 I don't like you, but I love you. I don't want you, but I need, and I need you. I don't like you, but I love you. I don't want you, but I need, and I need you. Oh, I need you.
Hey Joe, does this look straight to you?
Yeah, man, that looks pretty tight. All about it, dude.
I actually like the bearing on the build a lot.
Go where you wanna go.
Here's that tire.
That last one was probably the roughest project that I've ever worked on ever, like, in my life. Yeah, I needed help this time to get it done in time. So I had maybe, 5, 6 people in here, everybody helping. Yeah, everybody's always willing to help, man. Everybody wants to jump in on this stuff because they think it's fun until they start doing it, you know? A lot of times it's hard. Doing this is hard. Like, so what am I doing? What am I doing with my life? Like yesterday we were up. We've been up. We're still up. Right? We're still up from yesterday right now. Sometimes I question that.
You go into it thinking a build should be very precise, but when it comes down to metal shaping, you're taking a piece of flat aluminum and turning it into a beautiful shape.
I think another thing that is like special about doing this kind of work, or any kind of work that you like, that you work with your hands, anything that you have to show, is that it's like I have that to show. I don't really have to say anything. You can just point at it, and it's right there, and you can see. And so it's like a real thing that you can see. Some of the things that you see are like a little more special than others, and I feel like when somebody really puts themselves into something like that, that's when you can tell, you can see it. You can see it in whatever it is. Once we buttoned it up, and I was pretty happy for that. But also the way that like everybody came together,
The fact that 3 guys shaping metal, on one large component, we were able to make it all come together in the end is pretty satisfying.
Yeah, it was cool, man. I mean, yeah, I had a great time. It's definitely special to be able to get a group of people together like this and try to do something with it.
I'm pretty happy with what we accomplished.
Well, cheers, fellas. Thanks so much. Yeah.
Right now, it's difficult for me to like really appreciate the moment. But I know that, you know, in the future, you know, that's going to be like something I'm going to look back at and be, you know, kind of proud that I was a part of that. But I'm glad it's done. It's over. It's sitting over there. It's done. You know?
What a lot of us take for granted, clean, fresh water, isn't a reality for everybody. And the goal of this is to make that a reality for more people. And if buying a raffle ticket and winning a motorcycle can help do that, then how much better can that get?
And so by donating to Waves for Water, you get a chance to win this bike. So check it out. It's a cool build.
This bike was built with a lot of love from a really amazing group of people, and the bike is going to an even more amazing cause. Link in the bio, check it out.